Hi there, Suranga. The second part of Androcles and the land. Yeah, very beautiful story. And here, in the first part, we learned that Androcles ran away from the prison. Now, Androcles is in a forest. Clear? Oh, yeah. Finally, he happened to go into a cave, and then a lion came from that point. We are continuing. Okay. So he observed the lion. What sort of lion? As I have told you, the lion was a limping lion. What is a limping lion? When the lion walks, his walk was not steady. His walk was not steady. Lion's walk was not steady. It was limping. You understand what I mean? He was limping. So the lion was limping. Limping is actually the lion has a problem in his leg. Maybe it is stiff and it is wounded. Something. Yeah. The lion was limping towards Androcles. Lion was coming towards Androcles. If you are Androcles, the lion is coming towards you. Lion is coming. Oh. The lion was limping towards Androcles. It was not roaring now. It was not roaring. Lion was not roaring. Grr, grr. Oh. Lion was not roaring now. When lions become angry, they roar. Rrr. Lion was not roaring then. It was not roaring now, but only growling. It was not roaring, now growling. Yes. So Androcles was not afraid. First, Androcles was really frightened. But now Androcles is not afraid of that. Why? The lion is not making a big sound. Yeah, not roaring. Androcles was not afraid. Doesn't the lion want to kill me? Doesn't the lion want to kill me? This lion does not want to kill me. I don't know why. Basically, when lions, when they meet people or other animals, they try to kill them. Why? To eat? As we are meat? Yeah. So Androcles was not afraid. Doesn't the lion want to kill me? He wondered, how can that be? Lion is not coming to kill me. There should be something, yeah? Doesn't the lion want to kill me? He wondered. Is he crying in pain? He can see that he is crying in pain. While limping, he is crying in pain. Something like that. Yeah. Yeah. Is he crying in pain? Is his paw wounded? Is his paw? I told you what paw is. Paw is this part of a leg. The lowest part of the leg paw. Just like I sang a song, Pulum Kotta Dekatabala. Something like that. The paw, a cat's type of quadrupeds. That is lions, dogs, cats. When you think about these animals, their legs are, this part is just like a pillow. So that is why we call it paw. Kill me, is he crying in pain? Is his paw wounded? In a little while, a lion sat near Androcles. Lion came towards Androcles and lion sat near Androcles. Okay. Androcles is here. Lion is here. By the side of. Mm. Is his paw wounded? Is his paw wounded? Wound, you know what wound is? Damaged in a way. In a little while, the lion sat near Androcles and stretched his paw to him. Lion stretched his paw. Lion stretched his paw to him. Androcles, yeah, see what has happened? Something like that. Androcles was a kind man. He was a brave man. He was brave. Androcles was brave. If somebody is doing a very bad thing. Say somebody is hitting a lady, and people would say, "Oh, we should not go near." Yeah, that's not the thing. It is none of our business, they would say. But some people, ado, atarpang. So they are brave, right? You know what brave means. So he took the lion's paw into his hand. Who took? Androcles took lion's paw. Lion's paw is this part. Lion's paw into his hand. Into his hand. And looked at it carefully. Looked at it carefully. Androcles looked at the lion's paw very carefully, in a way. Yeah. The paw was swollen very much. The paw was swollen. Swollen means becoming big for some reason. Now, my two hands these parts are equal. But if I happen to have a bad thing, if wounded, then this part becomes big. So that is swollen, big hand, just like Incredible Hulk. Yeah. So, and there was a festering sore, its underside. Yeah, there was a festering sore. Sore is a wound, basically. Festering sore. Festering is actually a festering sore. You know what sore is? Sore is a wounded part of a hand or a place. And festering means it has been infected by bacteria or whatever it is. Now it produces pus. Pus means pus, pus. That is the yellowish liquid. When we are wounded after a few days, we find that that part becomes yellow in color. Yellow in color. You know what? Yellow in color. Why yellow in color? Yeah, because pus. Pus is that liquid, yellow liquid. There was a festering sore on it. It is underside. Underside means this, not this side. Underside. Androcles looked at the sore carefully. Carefully, he looked at the sore. There was a large stone in it. Large stone, just like very sharp, pointed something in that. Oh, clear. There was a large thorn in it. Thorn, not throne, thorn in it. thorn in it. He pulled out the thorn carefully and cleaned the sore well. He pulled it out. Pulled it, not push. Yeah. He pulled out the thorn carefully and cleaned the sore well. He cleaned it. He pulled it out and he cleaned it very well. Then the lion began to wag its tail. You know what tail is? Lion started wagging its tail. Yeah. Oh, then the lion began to wag its tail. It purred happily. Purred. The cats basically purr when they love us. At times, when they find that it is really comfortable in your lap, so cat would purr. Things like that. Purr. Then the lion began to wag its tail. It purred happily and licked Androcles' hand. Lick Androcles' hands and feet. Feet, yeah. Happily. Hands and feet. Androcles combed the lion's mane. Mane. Androcles comb your hair. Comb your hair. When you're going to school, before going to school, you have to comb your hair well in a very nice way to be tidy. And, sorry. And the thing is, this time, no hair. Lion has mane. Mane is a very long, sort of a tiny fiber-like hair on his body. We are mammals. Yeah. We're drinking milk, basically. So therefore, all the mammals do have hair, but lion is special in that sense because lion has very long sort of hair. We call them mane. You understand from the just like a lady, huh? Androcles combed the lion's mane using fingers. Androcles combed the lion's mane, and the lion put its head on Androcles' knees and slept. And the lion put its head. My God. Lion puts his head, the toddy head, on Androcles' knees, this part, and slept. Slept. Who is sleeping now? Lion is sleeping and slept. This lion is a good, kind animal. Yeah, combing his mane. Androcles thinks, oh, this lion is really good. He's not eating me. He's not killing me. An innocent animal, very good animal, very kind one. This lion is a good, kind animal, he thought. I have helped it. I helped it, and it loves me. Who loves me? The king, the master. No, this lion loves me, and it allows me. In a little while, the lion woke up. In the little while, lion was sleeping, and a little while after some time, lion woke up. Wake up, woke up. Lion woke up. And went happily away. Went happily away. Androcles stayed long in the forest. Androcles stayed long in the forest. Then thereafter, for a long period of time, Androcles stayed. Staying means being with. Yeah, was there. Androcles stayed. I stay here in this particular area. Yeah. Androcles stayed lived. Androcles stayed long in the forest. He ate fruits and leaves. He ate fruits and leaves. What did he eat? He ate fruits and leaves. Different types of leaves, lot of things in the forest. Often the lion brought him a part of his prey. Often. Often means frequently, time to time. Lion brought meat. Yeah, part of its prey. Prey is basically, P-R-E-Y, prey is what is killed. For example, lion is the predator. When he's killing a deer, deer is the prey. Often lion brought him a part of his prey. Both of them slept in the cave. Both of them, lion and the man, that is Androcles, slept in the cave. And were very good friends. They were very good friends. Yeah. Now they are friends. See what happens next. One day, the lion did not came back. One day, lion went into the forest and he did not come back to the cave. Androcles waited a long time. Androcles waited a long time. Oh, the lion is not coming. Lion is not coming. Lion is not coming. Androcles waited a long time in the cave, but the lion did not return. Lion did not return. Returning is going and coming back, returning. Lion did not return. It did not come back. It did not come back. Who did not come back? The lion did not come back. The next day, and the day after, next day, and the day after, and the day after, and the day after. He is not coming. Who is not coming? The lion is not coming. And he never came back again. He never came back again. Oh, really sad. Who never came back again? The lion, the good lion, the kind lion, the honest lion, a wonderful lion. He did not come back. And he never came back again. Has he gone to another part of the forest? He thought. Has he gone to another part of the forest, not this part? Oh, don't know whether he has gone to another part. Can't be. Androcles wondered. Androcles wondered. I wonder why. Oh, how can that be? He wondered. And he stayed in the cave alone. He stayed in the cave alone by himself. Nobody's there. But he grew tired and returned to the city one day. But he grew very tired because now no companion, no friend. So he was really, really sad. And one day he thought of going to the town. He knows that they cannot recognize him. They cannot actually understand that this is the guy with a big beard. Yeah. And he stayed in the cave alone. But he grew tired. Grow means becoming bigger. When plants grow, plants become bigger. Grow tired means your tiredness that is becoming really, 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 really big. Today this like this, and tomorrow like this, day after tomorrow. Whoa, whoa, very tired. Yeah, in a way. Tired means, lonely in a way. Yeah. But he grew tired and returned to the city one day. No one will remember me now. No one will remember me now. Yeah. No one will remember me now. I have become different in appearance. Yeah. When you look at this guy, you cannot exactly spot, you cannot exactly say that this is Androcles. He is quite different now. But he grew tired and returned to the city one day. No one will remember me now. No one will remember me now, thought Androcles. Androcles thought, no one will remember me now. Who is that guy? We don't know. Yeah. Androcles thought that way. But Androcles was wrong. But Androcles was wrong. He was wrong. Roman soldiers found him. Roman soldiers. Ah, look at that. Androcles, the rascal. Yeah. City one day, no one will remember me now. But Androcles was wrong. Roman soldiers found him at once. Shut up, partners. They caught him and put him in prison again. And put him in prison again. You know what prison? Behind the bars. Prison. Behind the bars. Now he is in prison. Who is in prison? Androcles is in prison now. Sad story. The last part is to come. Okay. Yeah. I'll give you the link of the first part in the description. You just go to the first part if you haven't watched it. And if you like these type of videos, please subscribe and give us a like and press the bell icon. At the same time, write something, comment and share this if you find that this is interesting. Okay, I'm going to wind up the second part of Androcles and the lion. And bye.